Alright, so yeah, it's out. And it's there. Turbo went to dander already.
Like, that would have been the money shot, and we missed the whole fucking thing.
That would have been thousands of views on YouTube with a bunch of comments like, these fucking
Bounced the
retards.
Duramax motor off the ground. Ba-bing, like...
People would have been like, look at the cart in the background. They could have just lowered it on that and then extended the arm safely. And then relifted
Put it on blocks, yeah,
Put
and
it on
then redid
blocks,
it.
and then
That's
redid
exactly
it.
what I was getting.
Next time it'll be me when like I work at a gas station.
Oh, guys, that looks like a gas station.
Is he hitting it with the wrench? There had been a rat fucking living right in that fucking hole right there.
It was.
The one spot I would do.
It's all good until the fucking... It's all good.
Alright, grab that down, please.
Alright, wrapped up the Duramax. Nice and put away. Motor's out. Turbo's out. Sent the turbo over to Danville. Get it redone and checked out. And got the motor out. Motor's going to RPM. Say hi, Bob. Yup. What did we have? We had low pressure issue going on. Thought it went too low. Found out LMMs just go down to 10 pounds. It's a low pressure, high volume oil pump, which is kind of weird. So we're going to pull it apart, go off all the bypass valves, buy a new oil cooler or oil filter housing. Maybe an oil pump. It's got a Melling cast iron air pump on it. It's pretty badass. Pre-2020, so it's not one of the fucked up ones. Should be pretty good. We'll do some I don't know if we'll do some part 1s or 2s, but we'll definitely keep it updated on the setup. It's fucking pretty clean. We'll probably throw some manifolds on it, some up pipes, because I think we have driver side manifold, I think, and some other stuff. But yeah, this is it. It's SoCal built LMM. I think it's 1,000 horsepower daily. It's probably, I don't know. We're gonna assume it's around like 800 or 900 horsepower kind of deal. Probably, I don't know how much to the wheel, but something like that. Someone with a very similar build, same turbo setup without the built motor. He's running 850 to the wheel, so I'm assuming it's in the 9s. I mean, I don't know, 1,000 to the wheel is a lot, but it's got to be up there. So, yep, there she is for the day. We're calling it, and then I'll probably do another video here in a few weeks for the vet. Just got this fucking thing back. So far so good. We're on day 2 of breaking goodies and test all the new stuff and put some new stuff in it to keep the juice going. Pretty excited. It's Friday. I'm usually doing videos on Sunday, so we may put some work in this weekend. I'm gonna pick up something else new too. Another school bus. Show you what it is. See how it goes. All right, taking a little guy. Yeah, ready? Ready to jam some? Look at the twisties. Only my kid fall asleep in the fucking twisties, which means I'm going too fucking slow. He made it all the way down Page Mill, and he's walking out. Son of a bitch.